Where are you going?
The holiday.
Okay.
The holiday.
Hey everyone, welcome to day 1 of my Portugal adventure. We are heading from London to Lagos with a quick touchdown in Faro. Let's go! Flight from London to Faro is 2 hours and 30 minutes. Quick and easy flight. And we have touched down Faro. Very crowded. हाँ. Reached the Faro airport, and to be honest, it is looking like a railway station to me. But it's very big airport, and right now we are collecting luggage. We already booked a cab from Faro to Lagos online, and it costed us around 40 euros, and drive time will be almost 1 hour, so not too bad. And she's the cab lady. Okay, let's go in. We landed at Faro's airport, and from there we took 1 hour drive, basically took a cab and came to Lagos. And we were struggling to find the apartment. It was a 10 minutes fight, but finally we have reached the apartment, and it is so beautiful. Abhi will do a apartment tour. Let us settle down. This is the apartment. Apartment house. This is the kitchen. Oh, I love this bit. This bit. Oh. How to make blueberry muffins and pumpkin soup. I hate pumpkin soup. Very nice apartment, yaar. मजे आ गए. Wait, let me see. What's outside? झूला तो है ही नहीं वो जो आप कह रहे थे पड़ा है. बंद कर दो, कोई बिल्ली ना आ जाए रात. दूध तो नहीं रखा होगा इन्होंने, देखियो. वाटर, थैंक गॉड वाटर तो है. वाइन है पर दूध नहीं है. Let's see. This is a washing machine and the iron area. And this is the washroom. Hi. Show me. Move, guys. Wow. What is there? Cupboards. Okay. Of course, it's very hot in Portugal. Very nice. एक ही बेडरूम है ये, 1 बेड अपार्टमेंट है. बहुत अच्छा. And the sofa and the Escher. Now you're feeling good? And what's here? I think just the street view. So basically we were standing at the street, and all the houses, they look exactly the same, and it was very difficult to figure out which one is ours. We literally were here, but we did not know like which gate is it, and it was scary, but now we are here and very excited. Good morning from Portugal. Today time is 8, not very early, but I have come for a morning walk. Boys are sleeping, and I will be exploring the nearest beach, which is 10 minutes of walk. So let's go. I'm excited. So I have reached this waterfront canal. This is the view. and everybody is sleeping right now. I am alone at this beach. It's scary and fun. बहुत मजा आ रहा है. बीच की आवाज आने लगी है. Lagos, Portugal is in Algarve region and it is famous for its dramatic coastlines, golden sands and turquoise waters. And this is one of the top beaches in Lagos. I am right now at Student Beach. But guys, do watch the vlog till the end to find out the best beach in Lagos, like the one of the best beaches in Algarve region. I am back home and now we are going for a breakfast in the cafe. Himanshu, what's the name of the cafe? Family?
Nino Family Bar.
Nino Family Bar or something. I'll obviously show you around. But yeah, let's go. You wanna take your toys too?
Yeah.
Which one? Okay.
Holiday toy.
Holiday toys?
Yeah, that.
Okay. Lagos is a very cute, calm town. If you want to go away from hustle and bustle, this is the place for you guys. You have to come here for the peace. Lagos की ये टी-शर्ट कितनी अच्छी लग रही है ना. हाँ, दिस इज द यहाँ से सीधा चले जाओ ना तो वो आ जाता है सेंटर पार्ट सारा. अभी तो उधर है. हाँ, it has a kids area also. Oh, Nino Family Bar has a kids area for Asher and so many toys also. Yeah, let's go. Morning.
Look at that.
Thank you. That's the kids area. He's really excited.
No. The kids area is upstairs.
Ah.
Bigger and
Wow, he'll be excited. Yeah, Asher, this is so amazing. You can put the shapes back. Where is the triangle? There's no button. Cafe has so many toys, so you can bring the kids and keep them busy. And there is a upstairs area which is like full of toys, tents, so much to do. Like if you are with kids and you are in Lagos, then I highly recommend coming to this cafe. We are now headed towards the beach and these stalls are just next to the beach. Ooh, look at that. Wow. These will all open. We are way too early, I think. Oh God. This is something like Statue of Liberty. Acha? Gangalo de Lagos. Oh my God. That's a cave which leads you to the next beach. बहुत सुंदर है यार ये. ये क्या हो रहा है? It's such a nice walk. Video rain. Now we are walking towards Camilio Beach, which is one of the best beaches of Lagos, and it is like 200 steps downstairs. The name Camilio because it's like camel formation. The rock formation is similar to when a camel is sitting down. That's why the name. Let's explore the beach now.
Asha.
So we have now reached Camilio Beach after taking those 200 steps. It's not that difficult, but it's a little bit challenging if you have struggles walking. And let's talk about this beach now. This beach has a rock formation in the shape of camels, and that's why it's called Camilio Beach. And it's not very clean beach. You will find a lot of seaweed here. So I will not suggest taking beach showers and stuff. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Nice time on the beach. Now we are headed to a restaurant for some good lunch.
Camilo restaurant.
Camilo restaurant just next to the beach.